Hey there, Mr. Chu here. Let's do another SAT review problem. But before I do, let me bring Trey over to show you Trey. This is my 4-year-old black tomcat. He's my buddy. He's all black with a little bit of white there, spot right up underneath his neck there, under his chin. But he jumps around. Sometimes you see him during my videos, and I just wanted to share Trey with you. So here he is. This is the one that arithmetic and pre-algebra has its namesake. He's their little mascot. So let's do Module 2, problems 11 and 12, which is my 4th video in my series of the SAT prep. So these two problems might be easier than some, but we'll still explain them step by step. Now, in working these ahead, I saw that the next problem is one of the two problems I'm doing on the next video after this, which would be video 5, is a complicated problem. So it will take a little bit longer than what this one will. So this is Module 2. I do have one completed with all 27 of the problems in a playlist on my YouTube channel. There is one long hour and 15-minute video where I work all 27 of them in a row. And then there are 13 smaller videos that are about 8 to 10 minutes each that you can look at a couple problems at a time. These practice problems have been released by the College Board to review for the SAT, and some will be easier, some will be harder, and today's are a little bit easier than what the next one will be. Most SAT math problems requires algebra geometry background. We review a lot of that. Like this video. It's helpful to me for you to like it. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and X. I've got lots of videos you can watch on there. I do have a YouTube channel that you can subscribe to, and it's helpful for me when you do that. I did get 4 or 5 new subscribers yesterday, and I hope that trend continues. If you need to contact me, you can contact me using an email address that I have set up for my contact, askmrchu@gmail.com. So that is my email address that you can send me an email and I will answer or make you a video based on that email. All right, let's get to today's two problems. They are problems 11 and 12. Number 11 says if 4x plus 2 equals 12, what's the value of 16x plus 8? Multiple choice question. Number 12, a little bit harder problem. An object is kicked from a platform. The equation h equals negative 4.9 t squared plus 7t plus 9 represents a situation where h is the height of the object above the ground in meters and t the seconds after it's kicked. Which number represents the height in meters from which the object was kicked? And it's also multiple choice. So you can pause this video at this time, get out a piece of paper, pencil, and see if you can figure these out. These aren't too hard today, but I will explain them in case maybe you're doing something wrong. So pause it and work them now. So to find the value of 16x plus 8, which is what it's asking you to do, you multiply the 4x plus 2 by 4. Why would I multiply by 4? Because that gets this to be a 16x, it gets this to be an 8. And then what do we have here? Well, that's pretty obvious what we're going to have there. When you multiply the 4 times the 4x plus 2, you have to use what's called the distributive property. And the distributive property means I'm going to take the 4 and multiply it by the 4x. I'm going to take the 4 and multiply it by the 2. And that would be what, right? You just do 4 times 2. And as you can see, what I need to get, 16x plus 8, is what I have. So 48 is my answer. So choice B is 48. So we'll circle it. Hopefully you were able to get that one right. Now, number 12, a little bit harder problem. 12 is the equation you use in a physics class when you're talking about the effect of gravity. So, an object falls at negative 4.9 t squared plus 7t plus 9, while gravity acts on that kicked object. So that is the equation of a free-falling object due to gravity here on Earth. Since t equals time in the equation, I substitute t equals 0 and solve for h. Because when you kick it, there has been no time. So the time is 0 there. So I substitute a 0. I put a 0 right here, 0 right here. So negative 4.9 times 0 squared plus 7 times 0 plus 7, or plus 9, sorry, using the substitution property of equality. And so h equals 0 plus 0 plus 9, which is 9, which is answer D. So it's 9 feet above. That is the location of the object before you kick it. I'll go ahead and circle my 9 here. So there is a link with all 27 problems from Module 1. There will be a link for Module 2 when they're completed, but they haven't been all done yet. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, X. I've got lots of math videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Send me any questions you've got to ask Mr. Chu at gmail.com. Help me spread the word because I want to help people. This is my way of helping math students now that I no longer teach. And check out my new videos. I've already posted my second Math Minute video with Mr. Chu on the distance formula, and I did one earlier on solving an equation. So make sure that you check those out. And remember, I am Mr. Chu, and I want to help you understand math. And I'll see you in the next video.